Okay, so in this video, we are going to be looking at the summary of typography. Summary of typography, what we have been discussing since the beginning of this module, and after that, we'll look at the quiz. Look at the quiz also. So all what we have been discussing since the beginning of this module, all right, is about typography and how typography is important to graphic design and what it entails. What typography entails, how is it important to graphic design. So the first point on that summary here is typography improves communication. Typography improves communication. All right. So when the law of typography is applied, all right, applied, you know, uh, in our design to improve communication. All right, it will help you to communicate better, to help you to communicate um in the right way. It will help you to communicate in such a way that the message will be easily understood. All right, so typography improves communication. All right, typography improves communication. It improves visual communication through visuals, storytelling, visual storytelling, graphic design, which is also graphic design, all those things like that. So graphic design is part of visual storytelling. So uh, the second point in summary is that good font choices improves user experience. Good font choices improves user experience. Good font choices improves user experience. All right. So your design will have more attraction if you use fonts that can make them to be attracted to your design. All right. So font choice is very, very important in design. When you are designing, your font choice is very, very important. The types of fonts you pick for the kind of design you are doing, for the kind of word you are writing in your design. All right, font choice is very, very important because this font choice will determine how user will actually interact with your design. All right, how they will understand the message you are passing through your design. All right. So font choices. All right. So and fonts also have significance, or let me say they have what will I call it now? They have places where they are mostly used. All right, we've looked at that. All right, look at serif, sans serif, and all those things like that. So if you are using a particular font that's in an area, if you are using a particular font in an area that is not mostly used like that, it might not improve user experience like that. So the reason why those fonts have areas that is mostly used is because they've used those fonts in those area, and um the users easily interact with those designs in those areas because of the font choice. So good font choices improves user experience. Typography improves communication. Good font choices improves user experience. So the quiz here that can help you in this module, the first one is what is typography. Second one is name four font categories. And the third one is why is hierarchy important in typography. So with this, we have come to the end of this module and to the end of this course. All right. So I've come to the end of this module and the end of this course. All right. So in the next video, I will show you how you can contact me. All right, how you can contact me, maybe if you have any questions, or you have maybe you have any questions, or you have something that you want to tell me. All right, so we have come to the end of this module, typography. The first module we looked at introduction to graphic design. Second module we looked at color theory. Third module we looked at typography. So yeah, thank you and God bless you.